All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I was going to call it a day on YouTube, but I had to do another one. Had some time uh, waiting for my ride. She's late to pick me up. In the words of the great Italian-American philosopher Lionel Veluzzo, it is what it is. I'm going to make the best of the situation while I am waiting for my ride. I am going to demonstrate how to solve two-digit, one-digit multiplication problems with the regrouping strategy. So 97 times 5. What we are going to do here is we are going to multiply both digits times 5, starting with the digit in the ones place. So 7 times 5, we're going to multiply that. 7 times 5 equals 35. Now, since when the product is 10 or more, we got to regroup. So the 5 in the number 35 is going to go in the ones place. The 3 in the number 35 is going to go in the tens place. So now I'm going to multiply the digit in the tens place times 5, and I'm going to add the 3 that I carried over. So 9 times 5 is 45, plus 3 is 48. So we have 485. That is the answer. Excuse me while I check myself before I wreck myself. And the answer is correct. Okay, so now I am going to do another one. Might as well leave that up there. Okay, 83 times 8. So we're going to multiply both digits by 8, starting with the digit in the ones place. 3 times 8 is 24. So again, 10 or more, we got to regroup. So I'm going to put the 4 and 24 in the ones place, the 2 in the number 24, we are going to carry over to the tens place. So now I'm going to multiply 8 times 8, and then I'm going to add 2 to whatever my answer is, because we carried over the 2. 8 times 8 equals 64, plus 2 is 66. And our answer is 664. All right. I'm now going to do one more. Oh, somebody's got a question. Yes, what is your question? Tell me your question. Write your question in the comments. I will be happy to answer it. That's what I'm here for. That's not a question, but I appreciate that. Thank you. All right. Any questions before I do the next problem? Like real questions? All right. I don't see a question on the board in the next 5 seconds. I am going to go on to the next problem. But thank you so much. I appreciate that. If that's true, hit the like button, please. All right. I'm going to do one more. $93 times 3. So, again, we start with the digit in the ones place. So we're going to multiply 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now, we do not need to regroup here because when the product is 9 or less, we do not need to regroup. So we're just going to leave that 9 as is. 9 times 3 is 27. And our answer is 279. Now, I am going to finish this video with some basketball by dominating in the post. You know, I do think it's a shame that the game has evolved to a point where there are no big men. Everybody just wants to shoot threes, but the easiest, the most high percentage shots are the ones to the hoop, near the hoop. So I still like remembering how to dominate the post. So I am going to dominate the post right now. I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to post up. We do a little bit of finesse, but a little bit of physical brand of basketball posting up. All right, ready? And here we go. All right. Missed that one. All right, again. Assert yourself in the post. There we go. They can't stop me in the post. They can't stop me. All right, here we go again. Got to be good with your right and your left. If you're good with your right and your left hand, that makes you unstoppable. All right. I'm hitting with my left. I ain't hitting with my right. I gotta finish with my right, and then this whiteboard needs to get dunked on. That's what needs to happen. This whiteboard needs to get dunked on. Come on, one. I need one. I want to hit one hook shot with my right hand. People say I'm all left. I'm not. I can do both. I'm hitting two. I'm hitting two with my right hand, and then I'm calling it a night. Thinking too much. So when you think too much, bad things happen. I can't hit a hook shot tonight. Sometimes when something's not working, you got to adapt, you got to adjust. So the hook shots aren't going. Go like you do it, what you know how to do. You dunk. There we go. Dunk on people a few times, get that confidence back. You don't want to keep doing the same thing if it's not working. Buckets, there we go. Another one. I've made plenty of hook shots. Back in my prime, I could go right and left, you know, so I don't want people to start saying that I can only shoot with one hand. There, I was about to say there we go, but no. Having a rough shooting game. There we go. Oh, I made the face-up jumper. 40 seconds left. 10-minute mark. I am going to call it a video. There's a lid on the basket right now. I don't give up, though. The shot's not going 3 times in a row, though, even when you try something else. There we go. Made the layup. 5% of shots. Sometimes I dream. I'm not singing the Jordan song. I'm not going to sing it. I am not going to sing it right now. Finally, I make a right-handed hook shot. Defense will never be that bad in the game situation, though. Maybe you got to try from a different angle. One dribble and shoot. Lob City. Hook ain't going. I finish with the lob. Here we go. One more lob. Here we go. What kind of a pass is that? Back-to-back dunks. Three dunks in a row. I'm still finding a way to score. I'm still finding a way to make shots, even though I don't have the touch right now, even though my shot's not falling. Four dunks in a row. There we go. Finally, hook falls. All right. I ended with a made hook, and that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of you very, very much. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if this video was helpful. If you're confused, you have questions on anything, please put it in the comments. Thank you and have a great evening.